Big idea number 5, build and maintain smart, sustainable public facilities and infrastructure to serve the community. The goal is to sustain and enhance city services, facilities, and infrastructure to protect a high quality of life. We will develop and plan for purposeful growth, ensure city services, public facilities, and infrastructure support quality of life, and reduce maintenance costs while enhancing infrastructure performance and sustainability. Quality of life and growth doesn't happen without critical services such as water and sewer. The city is currently in the process of updating master plans for both of these systems. These plans will provide specific details for projects and funding that will allow the community to protect its high quality of life while allowing growth to continue. The city currently does not build infrastructure ahead of development. The city partners with the development community to provide infrastructure for future capacity as it is needed and financially feasible. Lee Summit's Capital Improvement Plan guides infrastructure investments. The cost to extend infrastructure to new development varies based upon the distance from existing infrastructure, which wastewater treatment plant serves it, what watershed it is in, and the terrain. Much of the land not yet developed inside the city limits is more challenging to serve with infrastructure. Good planning will result in the capacity to support increased roadway usage, wastewater and water services, and the potential increase in severe storm events. Some of the improvements that will need to be made to support community growth include building a sewer line from Pleasant Hill to Greenwood, building the infrastructure to serve the southeast portion of Lee Summit. North PRI will require a new wastewater pump station. Sewer capacity will need to be expanded to serve the undeveloped areas south of Longview Lake and the far southwest portion of the city limits. The city operates and maintains an extensive infrastructure system. As the community grows, transportation, water, wastewater, and stormwater infrastructure will age, and it will become important to adequately invest in proactive maintenance of these systems. The goal of the transportation system is to enhance safety, access, and convenience for all modes and users, increase efficiency and seamless integration of the overall multimodal network. We do that by improving data analysis and taking coordinated steps to improve safety of all transportation modes. And we close the gaps in connectivity between modes to get people where they need to be. Currently, most people drive their car. Public transit is limited, but 54% of people from the 2019 Citizen Survey said they would walk or ride a bike 5 to 10 minutes to a fixed route bus system. In the future, Lee Summit will prepare for new transportation technologies and evolving generational transportation preferences and needs of the future. The transportation system of the future should focus on safety, mode choice, seamlessness, use of technologies to meet demand. Driverless vehicles are on their way, and potential benefits include less traffic flow, fewer accidents, and enhanced mobility for populations that don't or can't drive. Driverless vehicles could solve parking hassles, congestion, and many financial and environmental costs. However, large-scale infrastructure improvements in dedicated lanes, car-free districts, and other issues must be considered to integrate driverless vehicles into our transportation system. Lee Summit is fortunate to have a municipal airport, and an airport master plan is underway. As we grow and develop, it's important to maintain and protect the runway protection zones through limited development and/or height restrictions. Land use designations and proposed development near the airport should be supportive of the municipal airport. As our community grows, we should also think about how to locate our public facilities so they can better serve neighborhoods, the community, and the region. Lee Summit is a safe community to live, work, and raise a family. The crime rate is stable, with property and violent crime rates lower than those for the state of Missouri and the national average. The Lee Summit Fire Department provides fire and emergency services to the city of Lee Summit and neighboring Greenwood and Unity Village. Nearly 70% of the calls are EMS, and we expect that to increase as our community ages. Lee Summit's continued growth has increased the need for facilities, equipment, and staffing for public safety. North PRI will impact future emergency services demands. The fire department is considering a shared use facility near the airport as part of the airport master plan process. They're in the process of relocating Fire Station Number 4 And there's a need for a police substation in the southern part of the city. The city's exploring a potential joint use facility for communications.